Hey guys, welcome back to Resin Belle. Today I'm going to be doing the YouTube button. I usually do it every 10,000 subscribers, and I kind of missed 40,000 subscribers, so we hit that milestone back in September. Thank you guys so much for being a part of this channel and helping me grow. I appreciate you guys. You have made all my dreams come true, and I couldn't have done it without each and every one of you. If you're not a subscriber, feel free to hit that subscribe button and that like button. So 10,000 was just glitter, and then I used diamond dots in the button there, and then 20,000 was using mica powder to color the resin, and then some glitter on the inside there. And then this one was a partial fail. I mean, it was cool at first, but the resin that I used actually reacted to the UV resin that I used on the end, and it caused it to bubble up like really bad. So this one is not quite as nice as it was when I first made it, but I was making the technique making a shaker. So this one is going to be using some pigments from Light Wish. I'm going to be using Counterculture DIY Fast Set epoxy resin, and we are going to be using some foils as well as some stickers. So I think that's going to be a fun combination, and you know, just kind of a fun pattern. Just having fun with these anyway. So all right, so I'm going to get this resin mixed up and then we'll get to pouring. Okay, let's demold this little baby. Yeah, I like it. Okay, so I went ahead and re-poured this. I mean, this is fine, but it's a little more see-through than I wanted it to be. So I wanted the pigment to be a little bit darker. So, and this was my first bracelet, and I poured another one. So we'll see what that looks like. So we're gonna demold this. Ooh, I already like it much better, so you can't see through it. That's the color I was going for. Almost exactly the same color as the mold material. So yay! Plus this one turned out a lot better. The other one I mixed it a little too vigorously because it's a 2-hour resin and it sets up fairly quickly. So it's more of a better for doing like tumblers and stuff. So I switched to this epoxy resin by Hippie Crafter, and I think that was what I needed. Just needed to not hurry so much. So pretty happy with how that one turned out. If this will focus, thank you. Yeah, so we're gonna work with that one. Let's go ahead and demold this little thing right here. See what it looks like. I like that. That is cute. That'll be actually a cute set with that. So they're basically the same colors, just one's a little thing. Look at that! How cute is that? That's a nice little set. Awesome! Okay, so moving on to this. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and put these in there. So when using stickers in resin, if you have a sticker that is a plastic sticker or a vinyl sticker, you can just stick it in and pour the resin over it and it's no problem. If you have a paper sticker, you will want to place it down, seal it with some glue or sealer, let it dry completely, and then pour your resin on. The reason for this is that the paper will absorb the resin unevenly and can cause your stickers to look splotchy and uneven, and you really don't want that. So this one is all about recognizing the fact that you should always follow your dreams and, you know, take small steps every day to working towards your dreams. And I just appreciate each and every one of you for helping me follow my dreams. I couldn't do this without you. Cool. Okay, so what I did was I just took one of these little scrapbook like adhesive rollers, and I took it over the play button. So I switched up what I was going to do. So I switched to this pattern. It's kind of hard to see because it's so shiny, but we're just gonna try this out and see if it works the way I want it to. Press that down. And I kind of ran the tape roller over it quite a few times just because I liked the way it was layering up, and I'm hoping that texture will come through to the end, but you know, if it doesn't, that's okay too. I'm just gonna rub that down. You gotta see the play button and how the texture is kind of popping through. We'll see if that transfers to the end product. Okay, let's see if this worked. Yeah, I like it. Just gonna touch up the edges a little bit. Yeah, I like it. What do you guys think? Hey, that's pretty cool. I like it. All right, well, we're going to add some resin down in here. We gotta add the words. I gotta cut those out of vinyl. You know, kind of like the vinyl strips. And then we can get finished up with this project. Awesome. Okay, I kind of like that. How fun! Okay, now I'm done. It's so addictive, you just want to stick it to everything. Also, I just want to give a little shout out. So, several months ago when I went to CultureCon, it's a resin crafters convention here in Northwest Arkansas that was put on by Counterculture DIY, but we had a little swap with people that we didn't know, and I drew or Cindy Cox drew my name, and this is what she made for me, and look how pretty. I don't remember if I showed it in the original video, but it has my name on it and just all these wonderful things, and inside she put all of these awesome foils, which I had never had foils before, and so that was pretty cool. I thought that was pretty awesome. But if you want to go check out her artwork, facebook.com/thesisterssouls. So go check out her art, and thank you so much, Cindy, for giving me these foils that I'm using on this project today. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and fill in the YouTube logo with some purple paint. Finally got the color I wanted. I'm just going to take a little silicone brush and work it into all the little nooks and crannies of that indentation engraving. Okay, so I've just mixed up some of this fast set from Counterculture DIY, and I'm just kind of letting it set for a second and letting some of the bubbles come to the top just before I pour it over this top. I'm going to fill up this part and then do a coat, and then I've got it setting up on some cups so it can run down the sides. I also taped off the bottom so that the drips and stuff can be easily peeled off. Okay, so I ran some of it off, and then I tried to add some more after it was already curing, so it kind of made this little ripple effect. So I'm going to end up putting one more layer on top of that, which is fine. It's not going to, you know, not going to be hard to do. But while this is still kind of bendy, I'm going to go ahead and cut this excess resin off, because it's nice and easy to get off right there, and it would take a lot of sanding to get that edge down. Okay, so I just threw on that last coat and it's already looking awesome. So we're just gonna wait for that to cure. Okay, so this is all finished up here and I love how it turned out, and now I'm just going to be working on removing these things